lot of things. I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah, yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is.
Hello, beautiful humans. Today is Wednesday. I have had a glorious 7 days off from work. It has been so nice just to enjoy summer. Alas, we are back to work today. I'm picking up a shift for my coworker from 1300 to 1930. It's only 6 hours. It's a nice little ease back into work, which I'm very happy about. But we have a very busy day leading up to it. So I thought I would take you guys along a day in my life and we would just get through it together so that I'm not alone. It's a nice little distraction because it's always hard to come back to work after 7 days off. I'm doing some email checking while enjoying my little yogurt parfait. We got strawberries, coconut granola, and then Greek yogurt for some protein. Slept so terribly. I basically have been up since 4 a.m. because my air conditioner broke and is making this really god-awful sound. And so I was just really hot and annoyed at the sound, and I tried to open my window, but I live in the city and there's just trucks going by everywhere. Today was trash day, I guess. We're gonna try to get the AC unit fixed today. I've had similar issues before where it makes this noise, but then I can usually mess with it and turn it off and return it back on, but the remote is not even working, and I tried to change the batteries, and it's literally going to be 85 today and 95 tomorrow, so I really want to get this fixed. So I'm going to put a work request in through my computer, if I can remember how to do it correctly. I'll leave a little voice message as well. Yeah, it doesn't open until 9, so hopefully I can leave a voicemail in either while I'm at my doctor's appointment, which I will tell you guys a little bit about this morning. They can come and work on it, or while I'm at work would also be a wonderful time. We're gonna have some breakfast and we're gonna get through today. I will tell you guys about my doctor's appointment.
She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever? It is what it is, man, whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever. I'm telling you now, it's whatever. Whatever, yeah, whatever.
Okay, I don't know if you guys can hear this, but this is my AC. It's making this noise. It's very annoying, and it woke me up so early. I already put in a work request, so...
Here's some information.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're gonna talk about my leg issue, why we're going to the doctor this morning. If you know me, I'm really bad about going to the doctor, so I'm really proud of myself for actually making an appointment. And I almost canceled the appointment because I'm okay, I'm actually feeling a little bit better. I went to a workout class 2.5 months ago, and we did a bunch of exercises where you put a ball behind your knee and you're just using your hamstring to squeeze the ball. At the time, I was getting in shape for ski season and I really wanted to build some strength, and so I went super crazy at this workout class, which was probably not the greatest idea. And then I was very sore afterwards, so I didn't really think much of it because, working out. Then it was extremely painful and my leg was super stiff, and my pain is primarily located behind my leg. So I'm pretty sure my diagnosis is that it's hamstring tendonitis. It's not as much pain anymore as stiffness and cramping and discomfort in my hamstring. So we're going to the sports medicine doctor to get it looked at because I've given it plenty of time, over 2 months of rest, and I have not been going at my usual level of fitness. At the time I was also playing tennis, which was extremely painful on it, but I haven't played tennis. I've just barely started to walk more, and even at a 12-hour shift, because I enjoy power walking around my unit, it causes a lot of strain. I feel the tension and the tightness if I'm trying to extend my leg fully, and sometimes if I use it too much, it's so stiff that I just go into a limp because it doesn't feel good. So that's the deal with my leg. Pretty sure they're just gonna send me to PT, which is fine, but I just want to be okayed to work out at my full potential because it's super hard for me not to be really like using it in my max capacity. We're gonna see what happens. It took me like 2.5 weeks to get into this appointment, so I'm like, oh, maybe I should cancel because it's feeling a little bit better than it did 2 weeks ago. But then I literally went on a like mile casual walk with my mom last night, and it hurts today because I used it yesterday, and I'm like, this is just not getting better. We're gonna go and take care of our body. My set that I'm wearing today is actually from Fabletics. This video is sponsored by Fabletics. I love working with them, and I'm gonna tell you all about their awesome VIP membership as well as their scrubs. I'm gonna wear my new colors that I just got. I am gonna put like a little long sleeves on because it's kind of cold this morning. It's supposed to get hot today, but not until later. All right, well, we're basically ready. I don't know why I'm nervous. There's nothing to be nervous about, but I never go to the doctor, so I still have a little bit till I leave. We're putting some concealer on because I can see the bags under my eyes. I cannot wait to sleep in tomorrow. The good news is that I have gotten so much good sleep on my days off, which is a saving grace. All right, we're gonna call and leave a little voice message at my apartment building so that they can come hopefully fix my wonderful AC unit that's just so loud.
If this is life-threatening emergency, please hang up and dial 911.
I just submitted a maintenance request for my AC unit. It's making a really loud kind of grumbling noise, and right now my remote won't connect to it, so I'm not able to turn it on. Phone call done. Let's fill up our water bottles. We have the car water bottle, and then we have the work water bottle. All right, we're locked and loaded. I still have like 5 more minutes, so we're gonna put our dishes away. We can come back and it'll be all clean. I think after lunch today, we'll just run the dishwasher. It's always so hard living alone. You're like, oh, there's a little more space in the dishwasher. Maybe I could fit something else in, but then you're like, I'm about to run out of silverware. Just had all of my friends over for lunch yesterday, so I used a lot of silverware. Dishes are done. It's still cooler outside than it is in my apartment. I think I'm gonna open the window to just get some fresh air in my bedroom. While I wait, that's all we can do. We're ready to do this. I'll let you guys know how it goes.
But I don't mind it too much though. Why? If my feelings don't show, say it ain't so, man. You should know that I've been saying no, but maybe you're the one I've been looking for so long, so long. She got me thinking life could be better.
We did it. We survived our appointments. It went kind of as I thought, with the exception of the fact that they were like, well, we should ultrasound it because there was some like parts where I was stronger on one side versus the other, and so they ultrasounded it, and there was some like tears, like a couple different spots. They're sending me to PT, shocking. I'm excited because I'm like, I just want to start doing something, and it has to get better by ski season. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna give it 8 weeks of PT. I got a cool picture of my leg. I'm gonna put it here, the little muscle guy. Now my leg hurts so bad because we were like pressing on it so much and trying to identify like where it hurts, so now it just feels so tight. We have a little bit of answers. Probably explains why it's taking a lot longer to heal than normal. We're gonna strengthen the quad, strengthen the hamstring, hopefully be able to like resume normal activity. Now we're gonna go home and we're gonna get ready for work because it's like almost 11. We're gonna get some food and I'm gonna show you guys my scrubs and my cute Fabletics stuff.
In a world I don't wanna say just the same.
I'm having a Jolly Rancher as my treat for going to the doctor, because even when you're an adult, you still need a reward. Noise is driving me nutso. I'm gonna do some computer work for a second, rest my leg. It did not like to be messed with. And we're gonna see if I can write a letter of recommendation for one of my ski racers who just graduated to join my sorority. I will say the doctor and the resident that I went to were super nice, and they're gonna send me to, I think it's called Evolution PT. Let's look it up. They said it's athletes who do explosive sports. I don't think I can sit like this. I don't know how to sit. Oh yes. Evolution Physical Therapy. Interesting, they do like altitude training, personal training, group classes. They also have PT. Interesting. Anyway, I'm gonna do some computer work. I'll talk to you guys in a second. We are officially ready to show you guys my Fabletics haul. I'm so excited to show you guys what I got. We have so many fun things. I feel like we should start with the athletic stuff, and then I'm gonna pick out what scrubs I'm gonna wear to work later. I've been working with Fabletics for such a long time. I am obsessed with all of their athletic wear. Whenever any of you guys ask me like, where'd you get that cute set? Probably Fabletics. And now they make scrubs, which is so amazing. They have an awesome VIP program where if you sign up, you can get your first scrub set for only $19. Their VIP program gives you a $100 credit each month that you choose to shop, and you can use that on scrubs or their athletic pieces, which are so amazing. You can go to fabletics.com/Kiara Madisen Madisen. I'm gonna put the link here as well as in my description box so you guys can sign up to become a VIP member. You can always choose to shop or skip by the 5th of the month and you won't be charged. It's really fun to refresh both my athleisure and my scrub wardrobe. I've already showed you guys this outfit. I'm obsessed with this. This sports bra is so cute in the back. It has all these fun little crisscrosses. These were some of the other pieces that I picked out for this month. I am obsessed with this blue romper. It is so cute and flowy. It's got a pair of shorts and then the back is a fun razor back with a little opening. I just think it's so adorable, and especially when it's hot out or as like a boat cover up, I'm definitely gonna be wearing that. Okay, this, you guys, I tried this outfit on for my friends yesterday because they were so excited about it, so I might just have to try it on for you guys right now. I'm gonna try it on for you. Okay, I am obsessed. They're so fun and trendy. It's a pair of shorts and it's a whole like one-piece unit. It's got cute stitching in the midsection, so it just looks so cute. I feel like I could rock some Pilates right now. I could do errands. They also have this really nice black jacket. It's really stretchy. I feel like I would wear this to work too, especially like in the mornings. And I love Fabletics because all of their products wash super well and are just really nice quality. This jacket is so soft and stretchy. To go with this outfit, Fabletics has these awesome grippy socks. When I go to bar class, I always wear grippy socks because it just kind of grosses me out to have my feet directly on the ground. So these are awesome. For tennis, you guys, I got this adorable tennis dress. It's got a strappy back. They're so cute and it's got built-in shorts. The last athletic outfit that I got is this adorable romper. It's black with like a little gray grid material. I'm gonna show you up close. We got a little bit of grid material, but it's super lightweight and it has a little tie in the front and a zipper, so it's really easy to get on and off. This is such a good summer errand outfit, and it would also be like cute if you ended up going out to a restaurant or something fun. I have all the scrubs laid out on my bed, so we're gonna pick out what to wear to work today. So this month for August, they dropped some new colors and products. This is their Hunter Green scrub set. I'm obsessed with the color green, so I have a feeling I'm probably gonna end up wearing these. These are the joggers, but they have some other styles as well on their website. They have a zipper pocket right here, and then they have pockets on the other side that are super deep. And then this scrub top. This scrub top has tons of pockets and zippers, and it goes really well with either the green look, or they also have the black joggers with a green tie or a gray. I love to coordinate whatever top I'm wearing with the tie. I don't know, I just think it's fun. And then they also dropped a new color in chai. It's something different and fun, and I love the black. Like, this would be really cute with a black long sleeves as well. Fabletics also has underscrubs. I feel like I always wear underscrubs because for some reason my floor is freezing. I love their underscrubs because they're not too heavy. Like, they still keep me warm like from the breeze, but I can run around and not be like dying of heat in them. They wash great. They look the same every single time. They have a cargo jacket that just came out. It has big pockets here, and I just think it's so cute. So I'm gonna put my scrubs on. You guys can shop Fabletics for yourself and see all the amazing products that drop every single month. It's so fun. I'll leave that link down in the description box for you guys, and we're gonna get dressed and then we're gonna eat lunch because I have to leave for work in approximately 20 minutes, which is very soon. Okay, here is my adorable fit with my Fabletics scrubs. Chose the Hunter Green ones with their underscrub top. These are the joggers. I usually don't like joggers because they'll ride up and then you'll look like a little leprechaun, but for some reason their joggers don't ride up on me because I think they have enough space here at the ankle, so they stay down. And I'm wearing my favorite compression socks, of course. I opted to put on the vest because I was way too hot in my jacket. I think my apartment is just so hot because my AC is still broken. My favorite part of this outfit is I can finally wear this Oregon scrunchie that I've had for so long because it matches the green in my pants, and I love a coordinating fit. I am starving now, so we are gonna have some food that luckily I prepared yesterday. I have a delicious Greek bowl. I may not be able to finish this because it's kind of a lot of food, but that's fine because when I get my break, I can have the other half of this. So I'm gonna mix together my Greek bowl. I just have cucumbers, tomatoes, tzatziki, red onion, hummus, avocado, parsley, chickpeas, and Kalamata olives with a little bit of lime on top. And I feel like I want something to drink. I've been really liking this blood orange Italian soda.
Got this song up inside of me, in a world I don't wanna say, just the same damn thing. What's your height, what's your age, what's the price of your way? We have 1 minute till we need to be out the door. Dishwasher started, lunch is packed. We are grabbing our phone. Oh, my water bottle. We need AirPods, pen. We'll do pink, matches the outfit. We got our badge here. I am bringing my computer just because I have a feeling I'm going to my parents' house later tonight because they said that they have a giant salmon that they need help eating. And I was like, you don't have to ask me twice. I will be there. Hopefully these people come by and fix my AC. We're gonna go and have a good day. like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just buy me a new condo, and in the same year I move back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as the place where you were born. And anytime you reach for something, they claim that you need nothing to satisfy your soul, but all the good stuff's bought and sold. Quiet life of desperation.
All right, you guys, we did it. We survived our shift. 6 hours goes by so fast. I feel like I did not get all of my goals done, but I did prioritize care, so we got some of the goals done, and now I'm tired. My leg needs a break from walking. Of course, my patients were like pretty far away, so I was doing a lot of walking. I feel like I'm gonna feel better when I start PT, because for now I'm just like annoyed every time my leg hurts, and I just keep like thinking about it. But like once I'm better on track, I think I'm gonna feel better overall. So I'm happy I went to my appointment, even though I was like, should I go? This just shows nurses make the worst patients. It's really true. I'm gonna drive home. I'm going to my parents' house. The Olympics are on, you guys. Comment down below what you've been watching. I've been watching it all. I'm obsessed with everything. Lately, a lot of gymnastics and swimming and a little bit of soccer and beach volleyball. Those are my top picks, and I can't wait for track and field to start. I've been like watching it with my parents every night. So they're cooking dinner. I'm gonna go over there, get comfy, relax. Hopefully I will talk to you guys before the night is over, but if I don't, I'm gonna talk to you guys tomorrow. So either way, it's a surprise. What's the next clip gonna be? I don't know. You guys, good news. My air conditioning is fixed. You probably hear like a little bit of gurgling, but that is nothing compared to what it was like before. So I am very happy. Shout out to the people in my apartment building who came to finally fix it. I was editing this video all day and then I was like, oh my God, of course, I forgot to film an ending clip. Also a huge shout out to Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I'm wearing my adorable romper. It's so cute. Make sure you guys check out the link in my description box. Go to fabletics.com/Kiara Madisen to get awesome deals on all of their products. Their August drop is so awesome. And then today's question of the day is gonna be, have you ever had an injury that you had to come back from? This is personally, besides concussions, my hamstring injury is my first injury that I will have to grow from. I think once I start PT, I will feel a little bit more hopeful and inspired. Right now I'm just like, ugh, so much work ahead. As an athlete, that is where you have your most satisfaction, I think, from sport, is overcoming things. There's a lot worse things that could be injured, so I'm feeling very grateful for my small hamstring tear. Anyways, I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. I will talk to you guys soon.
I'ma have to live a little louder. No, I ain't gonna end up like the man trying to figure out the man who got it figured out. I just buy me a new condo, and in the same year I move back home. Guess the 20s ain't as friendly as the place where you were born.